I want to show you how I made this really cute, beautiful, sparkly bead out of fabric. First I started off with just a piece of fabric that I liked, and I just mixed some Mod Podge with water. I just poured a little bit in a cup, and I just added a splash of water, not too much. And then I took a piece of foil and I painted it on, and I added some extreme hologram glitter acrylic paint, just a little splash of it to the Mod Podge water mix, and it kind of has a glittery effect on it. So after it was dry, I slowly peeled it off of the aluminum foil, and now I just have this piece of fabric that's kind of hard, and so I've already made one here, and it is really cute. You can't really tell on camera, but it's sparkly and it's got the pastel rainbow effect. So I didn't measure it, I'm just freehanding it, but you just kind of want one side thick on one end and smaller on the other. So I'm just gonna kind of, let's see, okay, trim that up a bit. Alright, so you kind of want to strip. It kind of looks like this. So then I've got my little wooden rod sticks. You can use toothpicks, and I just kind of start to roll it as tight as you can. And make sure you pay attention that it's rolling evenly to where both sides are even. And now I like to add some glue. I'm just using just glue. And just roll it up. And there you go. It is so cute. And it just pops right up. Alright, there's my fabric bead. Glittery, beautiful. Thank you.